Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rudrashish Halder, professor at SGPGI Lacno in anesthesiology. I attended this basic interventional pain workshop for the last 4 days, and believe me, it was such a wonderful experience. I cannot describe in words. I'll confess that I am a total novice in this spectrum of anesthesiology, and probably one of the best things I have done in the recent past is coming for this. The mentors, Dr. Chinar Roy and Dr. Dr. They had been excellent teachers. They had, taken us right from the beginning, from the basics, and handheld us through all these 4 days, taking us in a very step-by-step formulated pattern, making things very clear for all of us. The best part about this course is the ample time they give you for your hands-on experiences, and more than you, it's the mentors who ensure that you get things done in the right manner. For me, it's a highly recommended course. I recommend this course for all of you who are actually practicing pain medicine, or those who are actually intending to make your forays into this field. And a big thanks to the mentors. I wish them all the best for their future courses. Thank you.